The Certified Welding Inspector, or CWI exam, is a long, difficult test, but passing it goes a long way to improving your career. You can make a much higher salary and you'll have more options for work. The exam is 6 hours long and consists of 3 parts, A, B, and C. Each part is 2 hours long and you need to score a 72% in each part to pass the exam. Now, Part A is closed book. It tests your knowledge in welding fundamentals. You'll answer at least 150 questions in many different welding topics, including safety, non-destructive testing, metallurgy, and joint design. 150 questions is a lot for 2 hours. You only have 45 seconds to answer each question, so it's important to really understand the material so you can move at a quick pace. Part B is a practical application section. It has at least 46 questions, and during this part, you'll demonstrate your ability to use welding tools and plastic weld replicas. You'll examine welds, conduct visual inspection, and interpret compliance with codes and specifications. For this part, it's important to practice many hours with your tools so you can answer the questions accurately. Part C is all about the codebook. You'll be tested on your ability to locate and apply the information in your codebook. As you can imagine, this part is open book. You can choose from different codes including AWS D11, API 1104, and the D1.2. Now, Part C has at least 46 questions. The key here is knowing your codebook really well so that you can answer the questions correctly within the time limit. If you would like online training to pass the CWI exam, here at SI Certs we offer a fully online prep course. Our course has 80 hours of teaching, a practice test that simulates the real thing, and lots of quizzes to make sure you understand the material. Go to sicerts.com/CWI to learn more.